kenda se county ya Nyamira nigo ritkoria rero serikali ya county yabage kubwatuka amariogo gutia se chinyagitari chonsi imeye county yo amaroga isaine chishilinge chi milioni 19.3 unenchira ya moyo gusira ebirengo byobochenu ase ensemeyo kagokwana ase ribagaria yo mugavana bwe county ya Nyamira umuwaziri w'oburemi Alsmanoti nigaba gakwa siore mune serikali na ndene chikomenta amarioga yo asentunda ya kabere asaba nyagitari babere bakoboliwa kwene kiabuna ngo yatumika bare asenchera ebwerate kwene kiabuna aba Nyamira bonsi babere bawekera obokoreri asenchera ebwerate asechinga kiyechecho nigo boigo abasaye abo babere bakonyora amaigero yo mutanda igoro bobonchoreria baba bakubekirwe gutwa asibabere bakwewa obosemya bo kwegendereria ne serikali eliyo koira ase serikali ya county ya Nyamira yaberege koreira yogo chiako kogendera kubasira eliyo kwene kiabnangwe konya bare ase amatukari busyo muri ketkorwa ase county ya Nyamira Paul Kapokara namange
chinsa ninye chimambia asamaga chamanene ye county ya Nyamira
rero namariogo tukagite release agende chinyagitari chito
nigo serikali ya county ya Nyamira ritukoria rero yanyara kubage kubwatuka mariogo chase chisapo county chonsi me county ya Nyamira ayo isaine chishilingi chimilioni 19.3 ayo aratkunyara kubaga gutumika sinyagitari chiga kwene kibuna ebirengo by'abachenu ngo kini wabiremeye county okwana siribagari aye mugavana umuwaziri w'oburemi umusubati Alsmanoti niganyarire ko bahaga kubolia abanyagitari gutkunyara kubaga gutumika marioga yubuya nabananchi ko bamaiso igoro yo gutumika kwa marioga yo aseboigo balirira nga asentunda ya kabere marioga unatkunyara kubaga komentwa setinyagitari
yoga de muroche gaiga yala chinyagitari chitu chonsi aya na yajete eloti entanganya eloti ndinejejije igo mambo akishira bananchi na una mugaba mita promise ya mariogo achire aya nengo chichare egere kinyagitari chitu chonsi chitora mariogo.
We must be vigilant in monitoring the entire supply chain to guarantee that every healthy facility, regardless of its location, receives its fair share of these pharmaceuticals. To achieve this, I call upon all relevant stakeholders from health officials to community leaders to actively participate in the transparent and accountable distribution of these medicines.
Asomo jegonde ni goboigo aboro kigwa abokonya bakonyora megerio igoro yo bonchereria yo mtandao abari gwika emeya muna 30 banyarako bakubekirwe gutwa asegetikia Uhuru Gardens marabale na magacha manene ya county asomo yegoyo ni serikali ya county ya Nyamira yalireranga nitkunyara kabaga ekora iseke gancha bene ekikira tkunyara kabaga kobakonya abasaye kwegendereria samatuko alibusyo asabasaye basegetire ko tkunyara kaba bakwebwatanya eli kwegendereria.
This fund will make it possible for the youth to access funds for starting or growing their business. The fund has already been passed by the county assembly and we expect it to be operational in 2 months. We will publicize the fund and I urge you all here today to take advantage and apply once we make the announcement. His Excellency the Governor today also said that you will be among the first to be integrated and absorbed in the departments of the county government as interns so that you can still learn on the job.
Egati yabalia banyarako bakubekirwa ebutwa na bwaba na niko basemirie abasaye bande kwebwatanya asibego babole serikali ya county ya Nyamira gukonyara kabage kubeka merubule bune yiga eliko bakonya abasasa matuko alebosyo.
My name is Jacqueline Forrest Akini. Advice yangu to youth wenye wako hapo nje ni employment tusitafute, tunajiajiri peke yetu. So let's do that talent that you have, that idea yenye uko nayo, actualize it, ikuajiri wewe.
One word to the county government, I can request you to help us, the youth, try to support us, try to give us capital so that we can manage whichever business we have in mind. We have this business ideas in our minds, which was our first topic. in the first day of our training. So
ginko ripoteri getasini kia obwanjete kia Ndizi TV kurugiga se county ya Nyamira nchego ngoro kwa Polycarp Okara.